Start the app. By default, it comes with the maps in the background with your location in blue marker. On the right hand corner, you'll see a red icon called P for places. When you click on the places, it opens up the places around you. When you pick a place, it shows a marker with red. Clicking on the blue marker, you'll be able to navigate using the native Google Maps to your location or any other locations. If you go more than 5 kilometers an hour, it'll show your speed on top of the maps, along with you on the maps while you move. You can change various settings by clicking on the settings. First is the speed. You'll be able to change it into miles or kilometers. You'll be able to change the look and feel, your background of your speedometer into various different colors, or you can use map in your background as a default. Share your current location with a click of a button using the native apps. You will be able to view, share your dashcam videos. The app saves 2 video files at all the time by looping over the last one and rewriting and saving the previous one. Length of each video can be changed by going to right cam settings. 15-second video or max is 2 minutes video. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoy the app.